सुना है बहुत पढ़े लिखे हो।
हाँ।
तो बताओ इतने और उतने कितने होते हैं?
I know what you're thinking. Yes, a new job as a product manager can feel overwhelming. So, here are 3 tips to make a solid start in your PM role. Number 1, stop talking about your accomplishment from your prior position. I know you want to tell the other person that you're efficient, but let them, take time to understand that. Number 2, request a session to learn about the product architecture, performance, security challenges, and the tech debts. And trust me, this will go a long way. And you never know, this might win you a chance to become the developer's best friend. And that's a good thing, by the way. Lastly, make time to connect at a human level. At the end, that's very important. That's what is going to help you shine in your role as a product manager. Just keep in mind to always keep things professional. Try this for a month and the results may surprise you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Bye.